Good day everyone. I am Christian Revi Asuncion from Palanan, Isabela, and I am a Bachelor of Secondary Education students of Isabela State University, Ilagan Campus. And now, I am going to have a formal video presentation about Republic Act 9003 or Ecological Solid Waste Management. Republic Act 9003 or Ecological Solid Waste Management Act of 2000. So, let's move on to the solid waste management system. So, the country's annual waste generation in year 2000 was 10 million tons. It means that there's so many waste around the countries which is not good for our environment. And here's the definition of Republic Act 9003 or Ecological Solid Waste Management Act of 2000. It provides a comprehensive ecological solid waste management program by creating the necessary institutional mechanisms and incentives based on the 3 R's or reuse, reduce, recycle, appropriating funds, declaring certain acts prohibited, and providing penalties to achieve 25% of waste reduction. And you know that anyone caught littering, throwing, dumping of waste matters in public places such as roads, sidewalks, canals, esteros, or parks shall be punished with a fine of 300 to 1,000 pesos. Also, the construction of any establishment within 200 meters from open dams or controlled dams or sanitary landfill shall be fined 100,000 to 1 million pesos. So, let us now proceed to the reviews of existing implementation measures. Let's talk about the policy implementation of Republic Act 9003 in the Philippines, a case study of Cebu City. The experiments of Cebu City reveals that enormous potential in achieving these institutional frameworks at local level. The data reveals about 60% of barangays currently involved in waste separation at source and 30% of waste reduction target was achieved by 2012. And remember that these national policies will only be effective if they are accompanied by a strong political commitment at local government level. And now, we are talking about the SWOT or strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. For the strengths, the law is thoroughly crafted to declare the policy of the state in adopting a systematic, comprehensive, and ecological solid waste management program in response to the looming garbage problems in the country. For weaknesses, the efforts of LGUs are still very limited. Poor implementation and monitoring in most areas. Only cities that acquire strong political commitment, community participation, and strategic projects can reap the benefits. For opportunities, it illustrates the potentials and benefits of recycling not only in addressing waste management problems but also in alleviating poverty. For threats, when poorly implemented, people can be discouraged to act because officials are not responsive with their efforts. For example, some people segregate at home for it to still be mixed up in the dump site. For recommendations, the success of the solid waste management program largely depended on the level of awareness among its citizens and constituents to ensure their active participation. Thus, I would recommend further environmental awareness. So, to maintain the awareness of the Republic Act 9003 or the Ecological Solid Waste Management, we need to do our part as a citizens so that we can maintain the awareness and the healthiness of our environmental, particularly our lives of matter. That's it. Thank you.